You opened your trading account with one goal: make 5,000 rupees a day, replace your salary in 6 months, maybe 10,000 a day if you're ambitious. Sounds amazing. It also doesn't work. And the math is going to show you exactly why. Most retail traders are using the most powerful wealth building tool ever invented to try and earn a daily salary. It's like buying a Lamborghini to deliver Swiggy orders. Today, we're fixing this. Two completely different ways to use trading. One destroys your capital, one compounds it. By the end of this video, you'll know which mode you're in and whether you need to switch. I think trading should be income because everyone we know earns income. Your father got salary on the first of every month. Your uncle drives auto, counts cash every evening. The shopkeeper next door tallies up at closing time. We've been conditioned our entire lives to measure success in regular cash flow. So we walk into trading carrying that same mental model. How much can I make today? How much this month? But trading is not a job. The market doesn't owe you a daily payment. It doesn't run on your schedule, and it doesn't care about your EMI. Trying to earn a salary from the market is the single biggest reason retail traders fail. Not bad analysis, not lack of indicators, the mindset coming in. I need 5,000 today actually does to your brain when you sit down at the chart. It changes every decision you make and not in your favor. 1. You force trades when there's no setup because doing nothing feels like losing money. So you take B grade trades that you'd skip if you weren't desperate. 2. You hold losers. Cutting a loss means accepting no income today. So you let the position run, hoping for a bounce. Most losing positions get worse, not better. 3. You take counter trend trades. You're behind on your target. The market is in a downtrend, but you take long trades because shorts didn't fit your story. Disaster. 4. You overtrade. 10 trades instead of 2. Each one adds brokerage. Each one adds emotional fatigue. By trade 6, you're not even seeing the chart clearly. The income goal is the noose around your trading neck. You tighten it every time you set a daily number. Worth trader asks a different question. Not how much can I make today, but how can I grow my capital steadily over time. That one shift changes everything. A net worth trader might take 4 trades in a month or 40, doesn't matter. They take only the setups that meet their criteria. The rest of the time, they wait because they don't need to trade. They might profit 50,000 one month, lose 15,000 the next, profit 80,000 the third. The number that matters is the trend line of total capital, not the monthly takings. Most importantly, they compound. They don't withdraw winnings. Next month, they trade with a larger account. The same percentage return now produces more rupees. This is how wealth gets built, not extracted. The math. This is where it really hits. Trader A, income mode, starts with 5 lakh rupees, targets 10,000 monthly income, withdraws 10,000 every profitable month. After 5 years, capital is still around 5 lakh. They've extracted about 6 lakh in total income. Position size has never grown. Same risk, same reward, same struggle forever. Trader B, net worth mode, same 5 lakh starting, compounds everything, targets a conservative 2.5% monthly average return. After 5 years, capital is around 22 lakh, more than 4 times. But here's the part most people miss. In year 5, Trader B's average monthly profit is around 55,000 rupees, bigger than 5.5 months of Trader A's withdrawals every single month. Same starting capital, same market, completely different outcome. The only difference, the mindset going in. Part that's going to surprise you. Net worth trading isn't just better financially, it's also easier psychologically. Counterintuitive, right? When you don't need to make a number this month, your decisions get cleaner. You can skip trades that aren't A grade setups. There's no pressure to do something today. You can take a stop loss without emotional damage. It's just one data point in a long sequence, not today's failure. You can stay out for weeks when market conditions are poor. The market always provides setups eventually. You're not trying to milk it dry. You can follow your system instead of fighting it because the system is designed to compound, not to deliver. Income trading is a sprint you run every single day until you collapse. Net worth trading is a marathon at a steady pace. Marathons cover much more ground. Honest nuance. Trading can become an income source, but only after a specific stage. Here's the rule: your average monthly profit must be at least 4 times your monthly expenses before you start treating any of it as income. Example: you need 50,000 a month to live. Your trading account must be generating 2 lakh or more monthly on average before you withdraw the 50,000. The rest stays compounding. Most retail traders are 20 to 50 times smaller than they need to be for this. They are trying to extract income from capital that should still be in pure growth mode. Income from trading is the last stage of the journey, not the first. If you start extracting in stage 1, you stay in stage 1 forever. Or worse, capital destroyed by drawdowns, then refilled by your salary, on a loop. That's the loop most retail traders are stuck in. And the only way out is to stop extracting until your capital is large enough to sustain it. Net worth rules. Screenshot these. 1. Trading is a wealth building tool, not a salary replacement. Match your mindset to the tool you're using. 2. Setting daily or monthly income targets forces bad trades. Eliminate them. Replace with quarterly capital growth goals instead. 3. Compound everything until your monthly profit averages 4 times or more your monthly expenses. Only then consider any extraction. 4. Measure your trading by total capital trend over quarters and years, not by daily, weekly, or monthly takings. 5. The market doesn't owe you a paycheck. Stop treating it like an employer. Treat it like an asset you're growing. If this changed how you think about your trading, subscribe and hit the bell. We drop real setups and real frameworks every week. Join the Telegram for pre-market levels every single morning. Stop trying to earn from the market. Start trying to grow with it.